Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make chicken thighs with creamy spinach and tomato sauce. These are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below along with step-by-step instructions. To my chicken thighs, I'll be drizzling some oil, that is about 2 tablespoons. I have some smoked paprika, some onion powder, some seasoned pepper flakes, some garlic powder, some poultry seasoning, red pepper flakes, and mixed well. To my pan, I'll be adding some oil, and then we make sure the chicken is brown on each side. Make sure to get a good sear before we remove it from the pan. To that pan, you'll be adding some butter and some onions. Allow that to cook, some garlic, some red pepper flakes, some wine. To deglaze the pan, bring all the flavors right back into the pot. Some half and half, some chicken bouillon, some parsley, some tomatoes, and some grated Parmesan. Give that a good stir. Now we'll be adding our spinach, some bacon bits. Give that a good stir. Make sure to taste and adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste. Now we add our chicken, allow that to cook for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, and serve. So there you have it, guys, my chicken thighs with creamy spinach and tomato sauce. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.